Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony Venice 2 camera and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there's two main reasons you might want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If your camera is not working or not connecting, or if it keeps crashing, it's not responding, it's frozen, etc., a good way to fix a lot of these issues is with a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now you will need to set the camera up again as it will be restored to its out-of-the-box default settings. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're selling this camera, or if you bought a used one, or just for whatever reason you want to just get a fresh start and have everything restored to the way it was when the camera came out of the box, we can go ahead and do this. It's quite easy. All we're going to do is straight from that, we're going to go to the menu, and from the menu we're going to toggle over to the briefcase as shown here, and then from the briefcase menu we're going to toggle over to the 7th of 7 different menu options, and we'll see there's a setting reset. Then we'll toggle down to the setting reset and select that. And from there we have these two options, to camera settings reset and initialize. Camera settings reset will just reset any settings that you've put on it, but the initialize will actually restore it to its factory default out of the box settings as though it were a brand new camera. If you click on initialize, then it'll come up with a little confirmation page. You'll confirm it and the camera will be reset.